45 minutes left to repair the damage and build the road to the States. In a number of areas there will have to be a marked improvement. The crowd in good voice, willing them forward. Plenty of time for Southall. Wales have only beaten Romania once in 4 previous matches. One victory was in October '83 in Wrexham by 5 goals to 0. Crowd then was just over 4,000. How things have changed and how that change could be continued if Wales could somehow gain a victory. Lovely turn by Sabo that left Barry Horn. They've let him run an awful long way, and he's looked for the chip. And at the moment, the Romanians are toying with Wales.
As I said, the Welsh team's getting a little bit pulled apart, and you can't give them time and space, and the lads run from over the halfway line. Excellent vision, and just unlucky with the execution.
Hadji just lollops forward on this near side. Silimesh goes rather faster, but by doing that forces Phillips to backtrack, and again they're giving Hadji the room. And he got a lucky ricochet and he put it wide. But they do get forced back, and they're giving this little fellow so much room.
It just goes to show you, we've said this earlier on, he's done the same again, but even a world-class player, not so good on his right-hand side.
Shades of Ferenc Puskas, but he was all right on the other side. And how? Negative ball by Phillips because he overhit it. Free kick. Quickly taken. Giggs available for the return, and now he's got a little bit of space. 4 in a line on the back post. Somebody makes the early run. Good cover by Sabo. Silimesh.
Once again we had that little bit of width again, good play by Phillips, and then Ryan Giggs got in, and again defended well.
Free kick. And the teenager beginning to make his presence felt a bit. Silimesh giving away free kicks. It's a bit wide for Giggs to try the shot, but you never know. It's a good one. Young. Speed in by Saunders. 1-1. Dean Saunders, 14th goal for Wales. He got the breakthrough against Cyprus. He's got maybe a crucial one now. Came from the free kick, which was excellently struck by Ryan Giggs. There were problems for Romania from that point on. Speed got up well. And he comes now from Young. This is Speed. And Saunders with the flick. Cunha nowhere.
Well, it's like I said before, if you get a quality ball in, you're going to cause problems, and that's one of the first quality balls they've knocked in. And bit of a melee, good challenging, and excellent finish by Saunders.
It's all alive again at the National Stadium. Goss. Speed. Was he held? Was he held? Yes! Penalty! So often in the past, Wales have suffered because of penalties in vital matches, twice against Scotland, and now they're quite rightly given a penalty by a referee who was superbly placed and gave the award in an extremely calm fashion.
I don't think there's any doubt about that. I don't think there's any doubt about that penalty.
Wales with the chance to lead 2-1. Paul Bowden to take it. Oh, and he's hit the crossbar. Via, I think, a little touch from Prunia. Such opportunities cannot be spurned. It's so cruel. It had to be taken, but it wasn't.
Well, what can you say? You know, it's a high moment of emotion, and it's hard for the penalty takers, but you can't look at Giff Nelson.
But the atmosphere is such that Wales could well come again. The next 10 minutes will be crucial to their future in the World Cup. It could be that Wales are going to have to win by a 2-goal margin. That remains to be seen. They're looking now for the second goal, and Diggs is close.
Well, it's building, the game's building to a big crescendo now, and the crowd's right behind, as you can hear. Another tremendous effort from Giggs just past the post. But now they've got to keep the cool head amongst all the heated other ones and try and get this goal that will put them through, hopefully.
20 minutes of the second half gone. This is Dumitrescu. This is another good run. But it's another disappointing finish from a good run. And Wales can breathe a sigh of relief about that.
They're living dangerously at the moment, Wales. I mean, they've had the good opportunities to go in front. But as I said, they can't just spurn chances and then expect to get punished.
Saunders. Good challenge. And again, free kick to Romania. And Berejadic is injured. This is the penalty miss. Did the goalkeeper get a touch? I'm not sure, he didn't just wave at it. But look at the delight on those who looked at their goalkeeper. But there's still considerable hope at the National Stadium. 22 and a half minutes gone. Halfway point of the second half. 1-1 the score. Will be good enough for Romania. Saunders. Rush! Still Rush! And Florin Prunia is a very delighted goalkeeper to haul the ball in. But look at that, it's a wrestling match going on.
Yeah, Rush has done brilliantly there, turned them great, held his time, great shot, but unfortunately straight to the keeper.
Malcolm Allen's been brought on for Wales.
Bowden's gone off. Yeah.
Paul Bowden is the man off, and Raju Chow spurns the chance of surely making it sure for Romania. Haji's cross, a bad miss, and there have been several bad misses from Romania. If they lose, they will look back on those. Say the FA Cup produces the most thrilling cup ties. I tell you what, this World Cup one is matching that. Goss, Saunders!
Oh, tremendous effort then from Saunders again. Some good build-up play by Wales. Malcolm Allen held it up well. Good layoff to Goss and a good strike. Unlucky.
Goss. Put out by Petrescu. With a worried look on his face. Diggs with the corner. Up goes Young. In goes Speed. And just too far away from Malcolm Allen. Great leap by Young. That Speed didn't get on top of the ball.